Oh my goodness, community ambulance. She's using her phone big time. I don't know where you think you're going, but that does not look like a good maneuver. What are we doing there? I'm going to report it to the police. Sorry?
You're being a weirdo.
No, you're committing a road traffic offence.
What you just done is a traffic offence because you can have knocked into me or you can restrict somebody else on the road.
Are you mad?
Find something else
I haven't done any traffic offences here, unlike you. It'll be going to the police, and they can choose on both accounts.
You have nothing to do today because this is the XDA, it's the work phone.
Well, you're not allowed to use it, are you? Do better. What is your work going to say? Anything to tell your boss? Would you like to say something to your boss?
The person that sent me a message.
Well, you shouldn't be answering it, should you? Your boss is not the excuse for using a mobile device. And she had no idea what I just did because she wasn't paying any attention to me. It was nothing more than a careful U-turn with regard for traffic and filtering traffic. You don't like you overtaking me through a pinch point. Perhaps I should have taken the lane through there.